A multi-level list is simply a variation of a bulleted or numbered list. In the previous lesson, when we went to a list and hit enter after one of the items and then used our tab key to go down a level, we turned a bulleted or numbered list into a multi-level list. But there are also some presets and they can tie into styles as well, which we're going to explore now using this document called multi-level list. As you know, when we click on the title here, we can go to our quick styles to see what style has been applied and is the title style. If we go into any of the items, main or sub-level items, notice that it's a normal style that's been applied. And if we look over here in the navigation pane under headings, there aren't any. But that can all change if we go to some multi-level list options. Let's click and drag in the left margin from main level all the way down to the last main level. And with them all selected, we get the pop-up tools. There is no option here for what we would call a multi-level list. We need to go to the paragraph section, and after bulleted and numbered list, we see multi-level list. Give that a click and you'll see some options. First of all, you'll see some numbered options, different formatting, some bullets. We'll also see some that involve text like articles and sections, or chapters for example. Let's go to article, give that a click, and look what happens here. Not only do we have a multi-level list, but we also have some new quick styles showing up, and the headings have been applied. We now have the headings in our document. Now some of these do not belong as articles, they should be sub-levels. So let's click in front of sub-level, the first one here after article 2, and hit the tab key. Notice it now becomes what we would call a heading 2 style with sections. So we have chat, some text here involved in this particular multi-level list option. We could do the same for the second sub-level using our tab key. Everything else is remembered. We can do 2 at a time as well. So next to article 3 and 4, we can click and drag those 2 sub-levels and hit our tab key to move them down a level. Now in this case there might be a third level perhaps. Let's see if there is. Let's click in front of section 2.02 and hit tab. As you can see, there is a third sub-level here as well. You shift plus tab to go back up a level, just like that. So that's kind of cool, but what's really cool is that now we're using styles. So for example, if we don't like the way article 1 main level and article 2 and 3 look, we can make adjustments and update it for our entire document. So when you click inside article 1, notice 2 and 3 are also highlighted. Now, if we wanted to make a change, maybe we want to bump that font up a bit, we could do from our font section on the ribbon, and they're all bumped up. I'll bump them down. Now we can also right click heading 1 article and update the heading if we make a change to any of the items. So let's try that. Let's go to main level here, select that and let's bold it. So if we like that and we want the rest to appear that way, we can go to the actual quick style, right click and update heading 1 to match selection. And you can see the rest of them have now been updated to match what we changed in our first one. This is all thanks to the use of styles. And again, because we're updating our style set, if we wanted to, we could save this style set so we could use it on further documents. That would just mean going to the design tab here, and from here, if we wanted to, we could update our quick styles by clicking the drop down and saving it as a new style set. Give it whatever name you'd like and you'll always have it for future documents. So that's the advantage to the multi-level list, some of them with text, but you also have the ability to update those and save them for future use.